Hi guys, you are watching Masar YouTube channel. Today I am gonna tell you how to receive from your MyJio apps with debit ATM card. So let's get started. I hope you have already installed MyJio apps in your phone. So if you don't have installed in your phone MyJio apps, please install from the Google Play Store and set up your Jio number. So I have already installed MyJio apps. So simply open it and here you can see a research icon below, so click on it. Okay, choose your plan, whatever you want to research. So I want to click 149 and buy now. So here you can see the interface, amount payable 149. So according to research from debit ATM card, so click on it, and here you can see you just need to enter your card number, which is 16-digit ATM card number, and expiry month, which is valid up to date. So please enter your correct expiry date. My expiry date is 07. Click on it, and expiry year 21, that means 2021, and CVV code. If you don't know CVV code, please click on the I button right corner here, click on it, and you can see what is the CVV. The 3 or 4 digit security code on the front or back of your card. So you can check it back side from your ATM card. So check it and put the correct CVV code. My CVV code is 259259, and click here your ATM card holder name. So I wanna put it my name. Okay, and my card number is okay. So click on the pay icon here, so pay now. So I don't want to pay because of I have already researched. So I hope that you have got it. So follow me step by step, start from end. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have like my video. Then please like me, and for more videos please subscribe my channel. So thank you very much, and share your friends.